Hey there, here's how to easily change your iPhone language, Chinese, Arabic, Japanese, Spanish, and many more language back to English on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max, or any other iPhone with the latest iOS. Let's see the process. First, you have to open up your settings, scroll down, tap the gear icon option, scroll down, and tap the globe icon. This is the language and region section. If you can't read the current language, don't worry. Tap the Add Language button and search for English in the list. Then select it. When the confirmation message appears, tap the first red option. And that's it. Now your iPhone language back to English. You can use this same process to switch from Arabic to English, Chinese to English, Spanish to English, and many more. I hope this guide helps you a lot. Thanks for watching.